Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with something totally different. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing because I just needed to upgrade my mic cables. Guys, the cables that I've been having from over 10 years. I mean, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. They came with my Shure microphones that I use on my Toms, and they just work. So I just like, okay, well, I ain't gonna fix it if it works. But it's 2021 and I want to do something different. And I really wanted some organization around my studio. So therefore, I went on a hunt. I went on Amazon like I do all the time. Man, shout out to Amazon Prime. Guys, if you're not Amazon Prime, man, it's a lifesaver. I mean, it's like expedient, man, for real. It's just right at your door the next day, which is awesome. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Amazon for that. But I went on there like I do all the time, bargain shopping, because I'm balling on the budget, guys. I'm in a pandemic. I'm a musician. Gigs are slow. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just like, yo, let me get something that's gonna be budget friendly. So I found these guys. Yes, I believe they're the EBXYA. Totally have no idea what that stands for. I'm pretty sure they're made in China like everything is. So if it's made in China, it's probably good 9 times out of 10. So, I mean, they're color coordinated. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get some organization going on. I'm trying to be all fancy in 2021. I've been having a black cable. So I was like, man, I need something that I can at least see which one is tone one, which one's tone two, snare, and etc. Guys, if you have a studio, if you're a drummer like me, man, this is the perfect thing. So, you know what? Without further ado, let's get to this unboxing. I gotta be kind of ghetto today, guys, because I forgot my knife at the house. I'm in my studio, so here we go. Okay. Yeah. EBXYA. Totally no idea what that stands for. But as you can see, man, I got all the colors of the rainbow, man. All the colors. And that's what you need. Yes, sir. 20 foot. 20 foot, baby. Like, I went through a lot, guys. Like, I ordered this like 2 different times. I'm gonna be honest, because I got the wrong length. The first length I got was 6 feet. Then the second length I got was 10 feet. Yeah, 20 feet, guys. If you got a drum set, probably start off with 20 feet. So, got the red, got the blue. They look solid, guys. They look really solid. The connections look solid. I mean, hey, I think it's gonna be a good thing, man. They look real solid. So I got red, blue, DP bar, got purple, I got orange, yes sir. I got green or mint green, I guess you can call it mint green. And then I got yellow. Yeah, so that's all of them, guys. I can't wait to put them on there, hook them up to my interface and everything, and just get them going. So I think they look really solid. They really do. If I had to give a review, man, they look well made. They don't look cheaply made. You see what I'm saying? I did my homework. I actually looked on Amazon and looked at all the reviews. And guys, I would say if you're shopping for anything new, make sure you look at the reviews, because most people don't lie, and look at the ones that have like over 100. Yeah, over 100 people. You see what I'm saying? Because you can just scam through that and be like, okay, all right, yeah, okay, I can make a decision. So, guys, these microphones, I think they cost me, it's 6 pack of them. I think it cost me about a good, it's like $54, something like that. If not, I'll put it on the screen. I don't really remember at this moment. But I mean, it's pretty budget friendly for me. They're color coordinated, like I said. So they're gonna be great. They're a great investment. If you do want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. You can hit that link. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I almost dropped the mic. I don't want to do that. So you can hit that link, and it's an affiliate link. It helps me out. I get a little bit of percentage, not a lot, but I get a little bit. So guys, if you're in the hunt for new mic cables, definitely give these jokers a try. Well, that's it for me. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are having a great month so far. Peace out.